Hey there, and welcome to the Health Scholar Hub. If you've been searching for the ultimate guide to intermittent fasting, your journey ends here. Whether you're just starting out or want to fine-tune your fasting plan for better results, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll discuss what intermittent fasting is and how it works, the different fasting methods and choosing the right one for you, the do's and don'ts of fasting, pros and cons, know what you're signing up for, best and worst food choices for optimal results, tips to speed up weight loss and stay consistent, the most common mistakes that can prevent progress. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to succeed with intermittent fasting. So, grab a notebook, and let's dive right in. Section 1. What is intermittent fasting and how does it work? Intermittent fasting is more than just skipping meals. It's a structured eating pattern where you alternate between periods of eating and fasting. During fasting, your body dips into stored fat for energy, promoting fat loss. Here's why it works. Lower insulin levels. Fasting reduces insulin levels, making it easier for your body to access and burn fat. Increased growth hormone. Higher growth hormone levels help preserve muscle and boost fat burning. Cellular repair. Fasting promotes autophagy, a process where your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates healthier ones. Fasting isn't about deprivation, it's about timing. Let's explore the popular methods so you can choose what suits you best. Section 2. Popular fasting methods. Intermittent fasting isn't one size fits all. Here are the most common approaches. 16/8 method. Fast for 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. Perfect for beginners. 5-2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days, and restrict calories to 500,600 on 2 days. 3. OMAD. 1 meal a day. 1 meal, 1 sitting, and you're done. 3. This is more advanced. Alternate day fasting. Fast every other day. Great for those who want quicker results. Eat Stop Eat. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week. Pick a method that fits your lifestyle. Remember, sustainability beats intensity. Section 3. The do's and don'ts of intermittent fasting. Success with fasting depends on understanding the rules. Let's start with what you should do. Do's. Drink plenty of water during fasting periods. Staying hydrated is non-negotiable. Incorporate nutrient-dense meals to maximize energy and health benefits. Stick to a consistent fasting schedule for best results. Use your fasting period to engage in light, steady-state activities like walking. Don'ts. Don't binge on junk food during your eating window, it'll undo your progress. Avoid excessive caffeine, it can dehydrate you. Don't fast randomly. Inconsistency can confuse your metabolism. Avoid heavy exercise if you're new to fasting, build up gradually. Section 4. Pros and cons of intermittent fasting. Pros. 1. Supports fat loss while maintaining muscle mass. 2. Improves insulin sensitivity and may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. 3. Enhances focus and mental clarity during fasting periods. 4. Simplifies meal planning, fewer meals, fewer decisions. Cons. 1. Can lead to fatigue or irritability during the adjustment phase. 2. Not suitable for everyone, including pregnant women or those with medical conditions. 3. Overeating during eating windows can negate benefits. 4. Social situations can be challenging if your fasting schedule doesn't align. Section 5. Best and worst food choices. Fasting is just part of the equation. What you eat during your eating window matters a lot. Best food choices. 1. Proteins. chicken, turkey, tofu, fish, or eggs. 2. Healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. 3. Complex carbs. Brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes. 4. Veggies. Kale, spinach, broccoli, nutrient-packed and filling. 5. Hydration. Water, green tea, or low-sugar electrolyte drinks. Worst food choices. 1. Sugary treats like donuts, cookies, or cakes. 2. Processed snacks like chips and crackers. 3. High-sodium frozen meals. 4. Sugary drinks that break your fast, like soda and juice. Section 6. Tips for faster weight loss. Here are some advanced tips to maximize your weight loss results. 1. Combine fasting with a calorie deficit. Monitor your total intake for faster fat loss. 2. Add strength training. Build lean muscle to boost your resting metabolism. 3. Use intermittent fasting apps. They can help track your progress and keep you accountable. 4. Stay busy. Occupy your mind to avoid thinking about food during fasting hours. 5. Break your fast wisely. Start with something light and nutrient-rich, like a smoothie or a salad. Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't let these mistakes sabotage your progress. 1. Overeating during eating windows. Fasting doesn't mean you can eat unlimited calories. 2. Inconsistent fasting schedule. Stick to a plan for consistent results. 3. Breaking your fast with junk food. This spikes your blood sugar and leads to more cravings. 4. Skipping meals entirely. Your eating window is for balanced meals, not starvation. 5. Ignoring hydration. Dehydration can make fasting much harder than it needs to be. Remember, success comes from consistency, mindful eating, and listening to your body. If you found value in this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the Health Scholar Hub for more expert tips on health and fitness. Let's make your wellness journey a success together. See you in the next video.